Here you go. Yum. Which one do you want now? That green pea? Alright, that's a green pea. Do you like green pea? Try green pea. Let's have green pea. That's it. You want to try this? Now you want to try this? Yeah? How do you say? Right. Not very very nice, did it? Did it look very nice? Looks nicer. Yeah. How do you look nicer? You want ketchup or this? Ketchup? This piece? Alright. Want me to mix this? You want this now? I'm mixing it. Want to make ice cream? Here you go. Oh yeah. Alright, let me make ice cream. We're gonna make you ice cream. I'm going to make ice cream. I'm gonna make ice cream. What do you want for ice cream? It's a little bit. I'll make my ice cream. I'm gonna be. Here you go. Smoothie. You got smoothie. Papa. Give me a little bit of medicine. Oh, I'm not feeling very well.